Tuesday. I'm about to get ready to do another vlog. So I guess I forgot that this was December and it's time to do the Vlogmas. So I'm finna go ahead and vlog a little bit. I'm gonna vlog every day for y'all. Oh, this is so aggravating. Nothing is wrong with her, y'all. Nothing, I promise you. There's nothing wrong with her. She's just doing the most. But anyway, I'm finna go ahead and cook, and so I can sit down real quick. I'm finna go ahead and put my food on. So I'm cooking rice and gravy, pork chops, and I'm gonna do smothered pork chops. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake up my pork chops, season them, and put them in the oven, let them cook first. Then I'm gonna come back and do the gravy for it. So I always put cream of mushroom in my gravy mix, and I always put some onion soup mix in there too, just to give it some flavor. Christmas tree is doing better, but I think I'm gonna go over here and play with my ribbon a little bit more on it, and then I think I'm gonna start this show called The Madness on Netflix. So that's what it's looking like for me today. I don't really have much to do. I'm kind of tired after work today, so I'm gonna do as much as I can. Sorry for this crying, y'all. It's aggravating to me too, but I just have to deal with it. Rice that I like to use, and I get this from Family Dollar. It's $1.50 a pack. Alright, y'all, so I added a little bit of this into my corn because it's already sweet, so I'm not gonna add no sugar or anything. I'm just gonna add a little bit of crab oil. This is just to give it a little bit of kick, not much. And then, so I already cooked my rice and it's ready to cook it off. Here is the pork chops. So what I'm gonna do now is add the rest of the stuff that needs to go in it. Y'all, so I am officially in the bed. The kids are in the living room watching TV. I'm just watching some Facebook videos, some sad stuff. It's what I used to watch, but it's so funny. Basically, all I do at nighttime before I go to bed, and I already put the food up. Ava's gonna wash the dishes. I done made my lunch for tomorrow. So now, excuse me. Now it's just kind of like time for me to go to bed. My light is not good because my TV is on that Netflix thingy, and it's just going from different screen to screen. So I will catch up with y'all tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna try to do the Vlogmas and just take y'all along with us day by day. One day I'm gonna get the kids a Christmas what's that thing everybody asked for? Gingerbread house. So we're gonna do that one day, and then we gotta do our ornaments, homemade ornaments, one day also. So just stick around with us and stay tuned, and we'll catch y'all later.